नमस्कार दोस्तों, today I will talk about the most catastrophic and contagious disease ever in the human history, coronavirus. Coronavirus, which is termed by the WHO as COVID-19, gets its name from the Latin word coronam, which means crown. This deadly virus has now a death tally of more than 5,30,000 people across the globe, with affected people crossing 1 crore. This virus is known as corona because the virus is genetically related to the coronavirus responsible for SARS outbreak of 2003. So it's known as SARS-CoV-2, which means Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2. It is a group of viruses that causes diseases in mammals and birds. In humans, the virus causes respiratory infections which are typically mild, included common cold. But rarer forms like SARS and MERS can be lethal. The symptoms associated with this deadly virus include fever, cough, shortness of breath, and breathing difficulties. So now we will take a look at the structure of coronavirus and how it affects the human body. The coronavirus has 3-layered structure in which the glycoproteins is the outermost part which is bulging outwards the coronavirus. Then comes the envelope and the protein coats, and at the center there is single-stranded RNA, which is also the genetic material of the coronavirus. The main target sites of this virus are the respiratory regions, in which the glycoproteins play an important role in bulging towards the lipid bilayer of human cell, from where the RNA of this virus converts into the coronavirus and takes the machinery of the human body. Amid the coronavirus pandemic, several countries across the world resorted to lockdowns to flatten the curve of the infection. These lockdowns meant confining millions of citizens to their homes, shutting down businesses, and seizing almost all economic activities. According to the International Monetary Fund (IMF), the global economy is expected to shrink by over 3% in 2020, the steepest slowdown since the Great Depression of the 1930s. The IMF's estimate of the global economy growing at -3% in 2020 is an outcome far worse than the 2009 global financial crisis. Economies such as US, Japan, the UK, Germany, France, Italy and Spain are expected to contract this year by 5.9, 5.2, 6.5, 7, 7.2, 9.1 and 8% respectively. Advanced economies have been hit harder, and together they are expected to grow by -6% in 2020. Emerging markets and developing economies are expected to contract by -1%. If China is excluded from this pool of countries, the growth rate for 2020 is expected to be -2.2%. In addition, due to this pandemic, there is a steep rise in the industrial metals price, food and beverages price, and oil and petroleum price. According to the WHO, the most successful countries in fighting with the coronavirus are Taiwan, South Korea, Singapore and Israel. These countries have set an example for the whole world to fight against the coronavirus.